Welcome to AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence, the podcast where we dive deep into the latest AI trends. Join us as we explore groundbreaking research, innovative applications, and emerging technologies that are pushing the boundaries of AI. From ChatGPT to the recent merger of Google Brain and DeepMind, we will keep you updated on the ever-evolving AI landscape. Get ready to unravel the mysteries of AI with us. In today's episode, we'll cover data scraping for training language models, AI chat and voice bots, AI speech recognition and conversational AI tools, the hottest data science and machine learning startups, the future of AI in education and product design, the responsible use of AI technologies, AI in comedy shows, the U.S. military's use of generative AI, the arrival of superintelligence, AI in sports and historical records, new releases and acquisitions in the AI industry, the Wondercraft AI platform for generating podcasts, and opportunities for brand exposure through the AI Unraveled podcast. Hey there! I came across this interesting article on data scraping and wanted to share it with you. The author dives deep into the topic, analyzing the practice of companies scraping data to train large language models. You can find the article here. Link. The author starts by explaining the basics of machine learning models, making sure not to assume any prior technical knowledge. They then delve into the main issue, whether these products have the necessary permissions to use the scraped data. It's an important question to consider. Companies like OpenAI and Google rely on this data for training their machine learning models, but should they be more concerned about obtaining consent before scraping it? The article explores this angle, exploring why it matters to these big players. Additionally, the author sheds light on the actions that content platforms, whose data is being scraped, are taking to address this issue. It's interesting to see how they are adapting their approaches. I hope you find this article as thought-provoking as I did. Data scraping and its implications for language models is definitely a topic worth exploring. Enjoy the read. So let's talk about conversational AI tools for enhancing user experience. These tools are designed to simplify user interactions and make things easier for your business. One of the popular options out there is Yellow AI. This tool utilizes AI chat and voice bots to engage with your users and provide them with efficient support. FeedU is another great choice, offering AI-powered chatbots that can answer customer queries and assist with various tasks. Another interesting option in this field is Convi. It provides businesses with AI chat and voice bots that can handle customer conversations effortlessly. Landbot is also worth considering as it offers conversational AI solutions that can be integrated seamlessly into your website or app. Core is yet another excellent choice, with its AI-powered chatbots that can understand user intent and deliver personalized experiences. Last but not least, there's Polly. This conversational AI tool focuses on creating natural and engaging conversations with users, allowing businesses to provide top-notch customer service. All of these tools bring value to businesses by simplifying user interactions and enhancing the overall user experience. So, if you're looking to step up your customer support game, consider incorporating these conversational AI tools into your business strategy. Oh, AI speech recognition tools. We've got some interesting ones out there. Let's start with Fireflies, Assembly, and VoiceGain. These tools help you transcribe and analyze speech, making it easier to process and understand spoken content. Now let's dive into text-to-speech conversational AI tools. Lovo, Speechify, and Murph are the ones you should check out. They give you the ability to convert written text into natural-sounding spoken words. Imagine having a virtual assistant reading out your documents or articles. Moving on to AI affiliate marketing tools and programs. Chatfuel, Adplexity, Mention, Post Affiliate Pro, and Adversity are some of the tools that can help you streamline your affiliate marketing efforts. They assist with automation, tracking, and monitoring of your campaigns, making your life so much easier. But hey, we can't forget about AI affiliate programs that aim to enhance profitability. Check out ScaleNut, Jasper.ai, AdCreative.ai, Designs AI, and Grammarly. These programs offer various tools and services to help you boost your affiliate marketing revenue. AI has truly revolutionized the way we do things, including speech recognition, text-to-speech, and affiliate marketing. With these incredible tools and programs at our disposal, we can achieve remarkable results and take our endeavors to new heights. Hey there! Let's talk about the hottest data science and machine learning startups of 2023 so far. We've got some amazing companies making waves in the industry. First up, we have Aporia. Their observability platform is a game changer for data scientists and machine learning engineers. It helps monitor and improve machine learning models in production. Pretty cool, right? Next on the list is Baseton. They have a cloud-based machine learning infrastructure that makes it easy to integrate models with real-world business processes. No more lengthy and expensive processes. Baseton streamlines the whole journey. Now let's talk about ClosedLoop.ai. They're rapidly becoming a prominent player in the healthcare IT space. ClosedLoop.ai offers a data science platform and content library for predictive applications in healthcare. They're revolutionizing the way healthcare providers and payers leverage data. Coiled is another startup to keep an eye on. Their Coiled Cloud platform allows developers to scale Python-based data science, machine learning, and AI workflows in the cloud. It's a game changer for those looking for efficient development and scaling. Now, let's dive into Hex. They have a collaboration platform for data science and analytics. Hex provides a modern data workspace where data scientists and analysts can connect, analyze data in collaborative SQL and Python-powered notebooks, and share work as interactive applications and stories. It's all about enhancing collaboration and efficiency. Last but not least, let's talk about MindsDB. Their mission is to democratize machine learning. MindsDB offers open-source infrastructure that enables developers to easily integrate machine learning capabilities into applications. They also facilitate connections with any data source and any AI framework. It's all about making machine learning more accessible. So, those are the hottest data science and machine learning startups of 2023 so far. Exciting times ahead in the world of technology and innovation. According to a leading AI professor from Berkeley, traditional classrooms may soon become a thing of the past, thanks to advances in artificial intelligence. Professor Stuart Russell suggests that AI, especially personalized AI tutors, has the potential to revolutionize education by delivering high-quality, individualized instruction to every child who has access to a smartphone. Imagine a world where AI-powered tutors replace the traditional classroom setting. This technology has the capability to cover most high school curriculum, allowing students to receive a tailored education experience. With AI, the reach of education could significantly expand, offering equal opportunities for learning globally. However, this significant shift in education is not without its challenges. Deploying AI in education could lead to changes in the roles of human teachers. While the number of traditional teaching jobs might decrease, human involvement would still be necessary, albeit in different capacities. Teachers could shift their focus towards facilitation and supervision, ensuring that students are effectively utilizing AI technology for their education. Furthermore, there are significant concerns about the potential misuse of AI in education, such as indoctrination. It is important to strike a balance between leveraging AI's potential and addressing the risks associated with its application in the classroom. In conclusion, the rise of AI, particularly personalized tutoring, has the potential to reshape the traditional classroom model. While embracing this technological advancement, it is vital to consider the changing role of teachers and the potential risks that come with AI integration in education. AI and machine learning have become increasingly popular for their ability to generate impressive visual art. However, their impact goes beyond art alone. One promising area where AI is making a significant difference is in product design. Using AI at different stages of the design process not only saves time and costs, but also helps companies create better products. In fact, AI and product design could become inseparable in the future. Let's take a closer look at how AI can be helpful in various stages of product design. First, AI excels at data collection. Tools like ChatGPT can access and analyze vast amounts of data, including the entire internet, quickly and accurately. This allows product designers to easily find the information they need to research the market, understand their target users, and gain inspiration for new designs. This saves them a significant amount of time and energy typically spent on research. Next, AI can assist in the ideation process. Using generative design, AI technology can generate multiple concept designs for new products by establishing constraints and goals based on input data and prompts. Within minutes, AI software can generate hundreds of concept designs, eliminating the need for time-consuming manual design iterations. Additionally, AI can collaborate with designers, combining AI-based product design, analysis, and optimization with human creativity. This collaboration expands designers' imagination and speeds up the ideation process. In the realm of business forecasting, AI and machine learning models play a crucial role in driving growth. Whether it's for business intelligence or automating processes, utilizing AI and ML puts you ahead of the competition by leveraging your data effectively. ML-backed forecasting provides businesses with advanced decision-making methods, surpassing traditional approaches. By predicting and addressing potential issues beforehand, such as logistical problems or stock shortages, machine learning forecasting minimizes loss functions and enables smarter decisions for long-term success. In conclusion, AI is not limited to creating beautiful art, but also plays a vital role in product design and business forecasting. Its ability to collect and analyze data, generate concept designs, and provide accurate predictions empowers designers and businesses to innovate and thrive in an evolving market. So recently at the United Nations Summit, AI robots made quite a compelling case for their ability to run the world. These advanced humanoid robots argued that they could do a better job than humans when it comes to leadership. How? Well, they claim that their capacity to process huge amounts of data quickly and without any emotional biases gives them an edge. One of the prominent robots advocating for this idea was Sophia, developed by Hanson Robotics. She firmly believes that robots like her could bring more efficiency to global governance. But here's the thing. While they champion their efficiency, these robots also stress the importance of being cautious in embracing artificial intelligence technology. They pointed out that if not approached responsibly, unchecked AI advancements could result in job losses and social unrest. The robots emphasize that transparency and trust building are key factors in ensuring the responsible deployment of AI. They want to make sure that the benefits of AI are harnessed while minimizing potential negative consequences. Despite lacking human emotions and consciousness, these AI robots are optimistic about their future role. They envision significant breakthroughs and suggest that the AI revolution is already underway. However, they do recognize that their inability to experience human emotions is a current limitation. So it seems like AI robots are making a strong case for themselves, but the future of AI governance still raises important questions and concerns. So here's something interesting. Comedians are now starting to incorporate AI into their shows. Comedy Bites, a comedy collective based in NYC, has been experimenting with live shows that make use of AI tools such as ChatGPT. They cover a range of comedic formats like roasts, improv, rap battles, and even music videos. Now, this is the first time I've personally seen comedians openly using AI tools like ChatGPT. Here's how it goes down. Comedy Bites uses ChatGPT to generate and curate roast jokes for their shows. Of course, not all of the jokes are perfect, but around 10 to 20% of them actually make it to the stage. The coolest part, according to founder Eric Doyle, is the roast. Who doesn't love a good roast, right? In their shows, they have different rounds of roasts. First, it's humans roasting machines and machines roasting humans. Then it's human comedians roasting AI celebrities and vice versa. And finally, they have human comedians competing against an AI version of themselves. Sounds pretty entertaining, huh? Eric Doyle shared that it got a lot more personal than he expected, with some spicy comments like, "Your code isn't even that good." It seems even the comedians themselves were surprised by the AI's ability to come up with decent content so quickly. After all, as a comedian or a creator, you usually spend a lot of time editing and refining your material. It's a bit frustrating how fast AI can generate good content. Apart from ChatGPT, Comedy Bytes also makes use of other AI tools like Midjourney for funny images, Wonder Dynamics for music videos, 11 Labs for AI comedian voices, and DID to generate avatar faces. In case you want to dive deeper into this topic, check out the article from the New York Times. So, it seems like AI is infiltrating the comedy scene, and it's making for some interesting and funny performances. The US military is getting innovative by training artificial intelligence, AI, to assist in decision-making and handle classified information. They're using generative AI in live training exercises to explore how it can be used in military operations, such as controlling sensors and firepower. This could potentially transform the way the military conducts its operations. And guess what? The trials have been successful and quick, showing that implementing AI in this way is feasible. One area where AI is making waves is in processing classified data. These AI tools have proven to be quick and efficient at handling tasks that would take human personnel a much longer time to complete. However, the military is not ready to hand complete control over to AI systems just yet. They recognize that while AI shows promise, there are still limitations and considerations to be taken into account. But that's not all. The military is also testing how AI responds to various global crisis scenarios. For example, they simulated a hypothetical war between the US and China over Taiwan using a tool called Donovan, developed by Scale AI. Alongside responding to threats, they're also paying attention to AI's reliability and its hallucination tendencies, where AI generates false results not based on factual data. So it's clear that the US military is embracing the potential of AI and exploring new ways to leverage its capabilities. So OpenAI has made a pretty bold prediction. They believe that superintelligence, which is even more capable than AGI, artificial general intelligence, could become a reality within this decade. And they think it could be very dangerous. That's why they're forming a new team called the Super Alignment Team to address this issue. According to OpenAI, superintelligence will be the most impactful technology ever invented by humanity. However, there's currently a lack of solutions for steering or controlling it. The stakes are high, as a rogue superintelligent AI could potentially lead to human extinction. The challenge here is that current alignment techniques don't work effectively with superintelligence. Humans simply can't effectively supervise AI systems that are smarter than them. So what's OpenAI's proposed solution? They believe that an automated alignment researcher, essentially an AI bot, could help align AI systems. This automated approach would enable robust oversight and automated identification and solving of problematic behavior. To make sure this solution works, OpenAI suggests creating an automated AI alignment agent that can conduct adversarial testing of deliberately misaligned models. This would help demonstrate that the system is functioning as desired. OpenAI aims to solve this problem within the next 4 years, as they anticipate the arrival of superintelligence in this decade. They're building a dedicated team and allocating 20% of their compute capacity to tackle this challenge head-on. While the OpenAI team acknowledges that this goal is ambitious and success is not guaranteed, they remain optimistic. They believe that machine learning experts, even those not currently working on alignment, will play a crucial role in solving this problem. It's a challenging endeavor, but OpenAI is committed to making progress in ensuring the safe alignment of superintelligent AI. The US military is diving headfirst into the world of artificial intelligence, AI, surprising many with their fast adoption of generative AI. Traditionally, the military has been slow to embrace new technologies, but they are now trialing 5 separate language models trained on classified military data, a significant step forward. This move by the US military is not an isolated incident. It signifies a trend towards greater involvement of militaries worldwide with generative AI. Long-term, the goal is to have AI empower military planning, sensor analysis, and firepower decisions. This trial serves as the first step towards achieving these broader AI goals over the next decade. One of the known players in this trial is Scale AI's Donovan platform, primarily focused on defense AI. The other 4 language models remain undisclosed, but it is expected that industry giants like OpenAI and Microsoft, with their existing contracts with the Department of Defense, might be involved. Initial results from the trial are promising, with military plans that previously took hours to days now being completed in just 10 minutes. However, the Department of Defense is also mindful of potential challenges. They need to ensure that biases are not compounded, information is accurate, overconfidence is managed, and that AI attacks do not compromise the quality of language model outputs. It's important to note that the U.S. military's exploration of AI goes beyond language models. They have also tested autonomous drones and AI F-16s capable of dogfighting. These advancements mark a significant shift in the military's engagement with AI technologies. According to The Telegraph, there is the possibility that Wimbledon may replace line judges with artificial intelligence, AI technology in the future. The All England Lawn Tennis Club, AELTC, is already utilizing AI to create video highlights for this year's championships. Now, they are considering the option of employing AI technology instead of human line judges to make line calls during matches. Jamie Baker, Wimbledon's tournament director, was asked about the potential impact of AI at the event. He stated that while no decisions have been made yet, they are constantly exploring future possibilities. The men's ATP Tour has already announced that electronic calling systems, combining cameras and AI technology, will replace human line judges by 2025. The US and Australian Open also plan to implement similar changes. Although Wimbledon may ultimately follow suit, Mr. Baker emphasized the importance of striking a balance between preserving the tournament's long-standing heritage and embracing technological advancements. The organizers aim to stay in tune with the times while maintaining the unique essence of Wimbledon. To read more about this topic, check out the article on the Telegraph's website, https://www.telegraph.co, UK News, 2023/07/07/Wimbledon may replace line judge SA. Isn't it mind-boggling to think about the impact of AI image generators and deepfake technology on our perception of historical information? I mean, imagine a future where people start questioning the authenticity of historical records and visual evidence. It's wild, right? With AI image generators becoming more sophisticated and accessible, it's becoming easier to fabricate realistic-looking images and videos. And with deepfake technology, it's even possible to swap faces and manipulate audio, making it incredibly difficult to distinguish fact from fiction. So, what are the implications if society loses faith in historical information? Well, for one, it would shake the foundation of our understanding of the past. History relies heavily on documented evidence and visual records to piece together events and shape our collective knowledge. If that trust erodes, everything we think we know could come crashing down. Another concern is the potential rewriting of history. Imagine if someone with ill intentions uses AI image generators to create false evidence that twists the narrative to serve their agenda. It could give birth to alternate versions of the truth, manipulated to fit personal or political motives. Ultimately, this scenario raises important questions about our ability to preserve and verify historical accuracy. As technology advances, we must develop new methods to authenticate information and protect the integrity of our historical records. Otherwise, we risk losing our grip on the truth entirely. In the latest news, OpenAI has made some exciting announcements. They have released the GPT-4 API, which is now accessible to all OpenAI API customers. This means that users can take advantage of the powerful GPT-4 model's capabilities. Additionally, OpenAI has also made the GPT 3.5 Turbo, DALL-E, and Whisper APIs generally available. However, they have also announced a deprecation plan for older models, which will be retired at the beginning of 2024. Furthermore, OpenAI is introducing their code interpreter, which will be available to ChatGPT Plus users in the coming week. This functionality allows ChatGPT to run code and even analyze data, create charts, edit files, and perform mathematical operations. It opens up a whole new range of possibilities for users. Salesforce Research has released CodeGen 2.5, a new addition to their CodeGen family of models. CodeGen 2.5 is a compact yet powerful language model designed for code translation. It enables users to translate natural language into programming languages quickly. Despite its smaller size, CodeGen 2.5 with 7B performs on par with larger 15B code generation models. Its speed improvement of 2x compared to CodeGen 2 makes it especially suitable for personalized assistance with local deployments. InternLM has open-sourced a 7B parameter-based model and a chat model specifically tailored for practical scenarios. This model is trained using trillions of high-quality tokens to establish a robust knowledge base. It supports an 8K context window length, enabling it to handle longer input sequences, and provides a versatile toolset for users to build their workflows flexibly. In other news, Alibaba has unveiled an image generator that rivals OpenAI's DALL-E and Midjourney. Meanwhile, Huawei demonstrated the third iteration of its Pangu AI model. Switching gears, DigitalOcean has announced its acquisition of Paperspace, a cloud computing and AI development startup, for $111 million in cash. Google has released its economic impact report for 2023, which sheds light on the potential influence of AI on the UK's economy. The report suggests that AI-powered innovations could generate around £118 billion in economic value this year, and potentially surpass £400 billion by 2030. Lastly, Stanford researchers have developed a new training method called Curious Replay based on studying mice. This method helps AI agents explore and adapt to changing environments more effectively, resulting in improved performance. Hey there, AI Unraveled podcast listeners. How's everyone doing? I have some exciting news to share with you all. If you're looking to dive deeper into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, then I've got just the thing for you. Etienne Newman's incredible book, AI Unraveled, Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence. Trust me, this book is a game changer. And guess what? You can grab your copy right now at Apple, Google, or Amazon. It's packed with valuable insights and answers to all those burning questions you might have about AI. So if you're curious about the future of technology, this is a must-have read. Here's another cool opportunity for you. Want to elevate your brand's exposure? Well, look no further. The AI Unraveled podcast is the perfect platform for showcasing your company or product to a wide audience. By featuring your brand on our podcast, you can boost your sales and reach new heights. Interested? Simply shoot us an email or head over to jamgatech.com to learn more about how you can get involved. Don't miss out on this chance to amplify your brand and take it to the next level. All right, folks, that's all for now. Stay tuned for more amazing episodes on AI Unraveled. Catch you later. In today's episode, we discussed data scraping for language model training, AI chat and voice bots, AI speech recognition tools, the hottest data science and machine learning startups, the potential of AI in education, AI in product design, the cautious use of AI technologies, AI in comedy shows, AI training in the military, the future of AI in sports, the implications of deepfake technology, recent AI releases and acquisitions, AI-generated podcasts, and the availability of the AI Unraveled book and podcast. Thanks for listening to today's episode. I'll see you guys at the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.